Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just like, let me just get up and let me count my 52-week savings challenge since I end up finishing it. So I got my old cash tray that I had. This is one that I just made. So I brought this one out just in case if I need more extra room. And then I have my little small one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much throw some music on and I'm going to count it. We're going to speed it up a little bit, guys. And we're going to count it in a little bit. All right, so let's get started. right, y'all, we are pretty much done unstuffing it. Look how small it gets once it's not stuffed. Isn't that nuts? Bunkers. All right, so this is, I probably don't even need this on there anymore. So this is my 52 weeks, and this is all of the cash that I had inside of it. So we are pretty much going to go ahead and count this cash. And I do think that some of this I did put a little bit extra in, so hopefully we have a little bit more. So the total, because for each week, instead of doing week 1, week 2, I did like week 2, week 3. So I added an extra $1 to each week, so that it'll be just a little bit more. So that's why, if you're wondering why it's $14.30 instead of the regular 52 week savings challenge, that is why. All right, so we are going to go ahead and count this stuff to see what we have. All right, and I'm going to bring my little calculator here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 600, 1, 2, 3, 4, 700, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we got 780. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 310. All right, so we got 310. I'm not putting it in any specific way. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. All right, so we got 245. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So we got $32. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. All right. Okay, so we have $5 extra. So I did put a little bit more in there. So we're going to say $5 is better than nothing extra, okay? All right, so now, for those of you who are saying, why do you put your money in these little savings challenges? You can just put it in the bank and don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When I used to have my money deposited into my account, or I would put into my savings account, I would go straight back in there and get the money out, and it would just be a cycle. But when I actually do like challenges where I can actually see the money and I don't want to come up off of my money, and then I have like cute fun ways to save and things that I set goals for myself, saying I want to finish my 52 weeks, so that gave me the motivation to finish it. I know sometimes people aren't going to always understand it, but this is a good way. This is how I actually saved $1,435. I saved it easily, but once you start doing these, you start getting that mindset of wanting to save money. So it makes it, I guess, makes it almost like breathing, everyday breathing. That is just something that you just do. So that's the reason why I actually pretty much do these savings challenges. And then once I do the savings challenges, I just deposit the money into my account, or I just pretty much pay off debt, which I need to be doing with this because I need to put it on my Discover card. So that is all of this right here for my 52 weeks savings challenge. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me, for taking this out of my savings challenge binder. And y'all know I'm going to be starting this one back over, and I'm going to start the 1,000 savings challenge back over again, because it is the beginning of the month. Well, not the month, beginning of the year. And we can do this another time. You know what I'm saying? All right. So if you have not already followed me on my Instagram, it's called @APinkeClothlife, and my TikTok is called @APinkeClothlife. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share, and let me know if you guys are doing the 52 weeks. Doesn't have to be my challenge. It could be anybody's challenge, or if you're doing the 26 week savings challenge. Just let me know in the comments. All right, guys. So until next time, guys. Peace. That was not how I do it. And until next time, guys. Peace.